What are the rules of bullying online in the classroom? My daughter is being targeted during class. Girls are making faces, saying things. I feel like the teacher is so overwhelmed. She either can't or won't deal with it. I recorded a class recently. It's bad. What should I do? How can I get this to stop?
Okay, let's talk about school board policies. Every school district has a school board. Every school board has school board policies. Your school board policies on cyberbullying will be in the school board policies, and you can read them, and they should direct you about what to do about the bullying. Whatever you do, you have to put your concerns in writing. And the issue that I've been aware of in some places is that there weren't policies on cyberbullying, but that was like 5 years ago. So either this is cyberbullying or it's regular school bullying. But either way, I think you write them a letter and you say, this is going on, and I've taken some videos, and I'm very concerned about this, and this needs to stop. What can we do about this? And you might shoot a couple more videos first. Now, it's not legal to do that. I'm telling you to do something that probably I shouldn't be telling you to do, but you've already done it once anyway. Because this is being done over Zoom, I think there's some expectation of privacy. It's not the same as like videotaping in public. But once they hear you have videos, ooh, they're going to get nervous. And you can say, I feel like the teacher's really overwhelmed. That's why I'm going to other adults in the environment and asking them to please step in. But my daughter can't be bullied. It's hard enough to do distance learning without that. And if it doesn't move fast enough, and sometimes it doesn't, then you have to have an IEP meeting. And you can write them a letter, a very graphic letter about what the bullying looks like.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's important not just to let it go.
No, you can't let it go. And also, a bullying claim would be like a personal injury claim. So anytime you want to make a personal injury type claim against the school district for disability discrimination or whatever it is, you need to give notice under the government code if you're in California. California Government Code Section 6250 and the statutes that follow it require you to present a claim against a public entity. It's not difficult at all to do so, and you usually have to get their form. They have a specific form, you fill it out and turn it in. But if you don't make that claim within 180 days, or if it's on behalf of a minor, you can sometimes ask for leave to present a late claim within 1 year. If you don't do that, you are probably going to be precluded from bringing certain types of claims against the district. But you know, bullying should not be tolerated. I'm also scratching my head about where the other parents are when their kids are doing this. I guess it's possible that they're only doing it when their parents are out of the room. But, you know, you probably need to name names and talk about what's going on. These are children. They learn by the examples the adults set. So it's not about them. They're not bad children, but they are engaging in behavior that's bad behavior, and it must be stopped.
Yeah, and I just want to say, as a parent of a student who is in class, a lot of us are not in the room while our kids are in class. Like I'm not in the, I mean, I have an older kid, but I'm hearing from a lot of friends who have even little kids that aren't on the spectrum that they're letting their kids be online in class while they're in another room working. I don't think there's a lot of parent oversight happening.
Well, that would make sense because how would people be keeping their jobs otherwise?
Right, right. And I feel for the parents that have young kiddos on the spectrum that have taken a leave because it's the only way that their child can attend. And the parents who are sitting trying to work with their child, having class on the, right in front of them. I've been talking to a lot of autism parents that are doing that. And I'm just like, I don't even know how you're making that happen.
Yeah.
Because I don't have the ability to shift focus like that. I couldn't do it.
Great. It was hard enough to do autism triage with all systems go.
Right, right.
Hey, thanks for watching Autism Live. To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.